The rise and fall of civilizations have shaped the world we live in today. Among the most influential and powerful empires in history, two stand out: ancient Greece and ancient Rome. Although separated by time and geography, these two civilizations share striking similarities in culture, politics, and military conquests. Today, we explore the fascinating echoes of the past, how ancient Greece and Rome mirror each other in ways that shaped the course of history. First, we turn to ancient Greece. Known as the birthplace of democracy, philosophy, and culture, Greece was a land of intellectual giants. Thinkers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle revolutionized human understanding. Greek city-states, especially Athens, flourished with intellectual advancements and social experimentation. But then came Rome, inheriting much of the Greek legacy. The Romans, while forging a mighty empire, embraced Greek philosophy, art, and culture. Roman elites studied Greek works, and Greek tutors were highly sought after. Yet Rome added its own distinctive touch to what the Greeks had started. Both civilizations had complex systems of government, and although their approaches differed, the foundations they built would influence the future of Western political thought. In Greece, democracy was born in Athens. The citizens, though limited in number and rights, could participate directly in decision-making. A powerful assembly shaped laws, while magistrates enforced them. Rome, on the other hand, initially started as a republic, with a senate and elected officials. The Roman Republic was defined by a complex mix of checks and balances, where power was shared among consuls, senators, and popular assemblies. Rome's shift to an empire under Augustus Caesar, however, marked a significant departure from Greek ideals of democracy, focusing on centralization and imperial power. Warfare was another area where both civilizations showed remarkable similarity. Greece's military might was often built on the hoplite, heavily armored soldiers fighting in tight phalanx formations. This system was effective in defending the city-states against outside forces. Meanwhile, Rome's military, based on disciplined legions, became the backbone of the Roman Empire's expansion. The Roman legions were renowned for their organization, tactics, and adaptability, traits that helped them conquer much of the known world. Both Greece and Rome demonstrated an ability to innovate militarily, with strategies that changed the course of history. Culturally, the Greeks and Romans shared an admiration for intellectual pursuits. Greek philosophy laid the groundwork for Roman thinkers like Cicero and Seneca. The Greek gods and mythology also greatly influenced Roman religion. Though the Romans renamed many gods, the core ideas behind their myths and stories remained unchanged. Greek art and architecture left an indelible mark on Rome. The Romans adopted the classical Greek style, yet they made innovations of their own, such as the development of the Roman arch and the widespread use of concrete in construction. Both civilizations built monumental structures, Greek temples and Roman amphitheaters, that still awe us today. Architecture is perhaps the most enduring legacy of these ancient cultures. While the Greeks focused on harmony and proportion, exemplified in structures like the Parthenon, the Romans revolutionized architecture with innovations such as the use of arches and vaults. The Colosseum, a symbol of Roman grandeur, owes much of its design to Greek influence, but its engineering took things to the next level. But like all great empires, both Greece and Rome eventually saw decline. Greece, weakened by internal conflicts and the rise of Macedon, fell to the might of Rome. Rome, after centuries of glory, faced invasions and internal strife, leading to its eventual fall in 476 AD. Yet the legacy of these civilizations endures. The philosophies, political systems, and artistic principles of Greece and Rome still shape our world today. The echoes of their greatness can be seen in our governments, our education systems, and our culture. In the end, the story of ancient Greece and Rome is not just one of political power or military conquest. It is a tale of human achievement, of intellectual curiosity, and of the timeless pursuit of knowledge. And while the civilizations themselves may have fallen, their ideas continue to echo through the centuries, reminding us of the greatness that can come from a thirst for learning and a commitment to shaping the world.